People, I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, I'd like to request every single person who's watching, tuned in, whatever you want to call it, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get the views up. Nearly at 1 million. Come on, man. We can do 1 million within the first month of the year. Easy. Not 1 million total, but you know, get to 1 million overall. Enough of that. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. I will be having a Discord, you know, create a little community and stuff. That literally came to me when I was recording a video about 10 minutes ago. But enough waffling, let's get into it, man. So this pair, if you've watched my older videos, you'll know that I really hate Air Max 97s. Like, I just don't like the comfort and all that stuff. I think they look really nice on foot, but I just hate the comfort, and comfort is such a big thing to me. I'd rather just not buy them. But, you know, we're here, it's whatever. The reason I bought this pair is because I couldn't say no to the deal. They were literally like 56, 57 pounds. I'll say 55, but they're like 57 pounds or 56 and some pennies. That's a bargain, especially in this day and age. You cannot buy a pair of trainers, sneakers for that price, especially Air Max. You know, that's like basically impossible. But yeah, we've got the red and white Nike sportswear box, bog standard. On the label, Nike Air Max 97. And literally one of the reasons I bought this pair is because of the colorway as well. White, university red, grey fog. US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Euro 45. So we're going to continue the white and red theme going into the box with white and university red. Big retro Air Max 1 vibes. Everyone's seen the Air Max 1s, you know, the white and red ones. I actually bought a pair last year, I'd say. The leather ones with a quick drop on Nike. Well, they were kind of orange, but you know, we move. Boom. The sole, as you can see, there's little bits and stuff there. I don't want to show it because it's just dusty. Like, the reason it's dusty is because I just walked around. I put these on, walked around, carpet. They attracted everything. Like, so much mess. It's actually a joke. And they look quite nasty, so I said, forget it. They are fresh, but, you know, there's little bits and bobs here, which, you know, I'm not going to complain because I paid so less for, and then literally can use these like a beta pair. Don't really care. We've got the red bubble. That's that, what the Air Max 97 is known for, that full length bubble. We've got the white midsole. So that goes around, white midsole, red bubble, full length bubble. I think the Air Max 97 was the first one to have the full length bubble. We've got the white midsole. It is kind of a bright white, I'd say, but you can tell it's been painted in a way, like, you know, it's just got like, I think that's very like messy from QC or whatever, from Nike. Like, you can tell it's just been painted and it looks kind of, the finish is a bit, yeah. Then we've got that material, and that's white. It does have a little dirt mark on there. I don't know if that was me or they came like that, but again, £55, I'm not complaining. If I paid full price retail for these, I'll be absolutely fuming, but I didn't, so I'm happy. We've got the swoosh that is embroidered swoosh in red. Then we've got a kind of tumbled leather wrap around, so it literally goes all the way around. Then we've got the white leather at the bottom. It's actually 2 layers. white leather all around. Then we've got mesh all around. Then we've got like that grayish, that's actually like a 3M material wrap around again. Then we've got a bit of mesh underneath as well, and then the 3M wrap around. You get what I'm trying to talk about. Then we've got the laces that's always on the Air Max 97, those round like type of rope laces. Well, they are rope laces. More 3M all around. Then we have the Nike swoosh with a bit of leather on the back, and then it's embroidered in that red. Very, simple, not doing too much. Nice summer colorway. On the back we've got a bit of, a little pull tab in that standard cloth type material. Then we've got that swoosh that's stamped in. Yeah, very, simple, straightforward Air Max 97. For the price, it's literally a bargain, so that's why I bought them. Tracksuit, grey tracksuit. These will look so good in a grey tracksuit, just on a casual day. The funny thing is, I probably have more tracksuit trainers than jeans trainers because I separate the two. So literally every pair I get, I'm just like, tracksuit trainers. And now it's like, how many more pairs of tracksuit trainers am I going to get? But people, let me know what you think. Tell me if you like them. I would leave a link in the description box, but I can't. And the reason being is because they have sold out at that price. So that's unfortunate. I'm sorry for that or whatever. I will try to, set up the Discord and then get like deal alerts page or something set up there. Definitely is a good idea. But people, let me know what you think of these. Tell me if you like them, if you hate them, if you rate them. If you've got them, definitely at that price, why not? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, bell icon, all that good stuff. Watch all the videos, every single one of them. Just watch them all on repeat all day. Don't do nothing else, just watch the videos all day. But people, that's it from me for today. Wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video, and most importantly, take care people.